In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present your UI or UX design on Behance with Figma. We'll walk through exporting crisp visuals from Figma, uploading them to Behance in the right order, and adding an interactive Figma embed so your audience can click through your work. By the end, you'll have a clean professional presentation that does your design justice. Start by opening your design in Figma. Identify the final presentation frames you want to show on Behance. These are the polished screens that tell a clear story from start to finish. It helps if your frames share consistent sizes and spacing so the flow feels intentional when viewed as a long case study. With your frames selected, head to the Export panel in Figma. Choose PNG or JPG and set the scale to 2x or 3x degrees Fahrenheit or high resolution. PNG is great for crisp UI elements and transparency. JPG can work well for photo-heavy screens. The higher scale ensures your work looks sharp on high-density displays without appearing blurry. Double-check that backgrounds are set the way you want, since Behance will display these images as is. Then export and save them to a clearly labeled folder so you can keep everything in order. Once your files are downloaded, go to Behance and log in. Click Share Your Work. Then choose Project. This opens a blank project canvas where you'll build your presentation. To add your visuals, select Image and upload the exported Figma frames in the correct sequential order. Keep that narrative flow. Start with your hero or key screen. Then move through supporting screens. If something lands out of order, simply drag to rearrange. Give each image a moment to load so Behance can process it cleanly. And preview the layout to make sure spacing and alignment feel balanced. If you want to include an interactive preview, go back to Figma and select the frame you want to embed. Click Share in the top right. Choose Get Embed Code and copy it. This code will let viewers click and explore your prototype right on the Behance page. If you don't see a preview later, check that your Figma sharing settings allow others to view. Return to Behance, click Embed, and paste the code. You'll see the live preview update on your project canvas. Place it where it best supports your story, often near the start or right after your hero image, so viewers can immediately experience the interactions you've designed. That's it. Thanks for watching.